In this session, we are going to revisit what we learnt in session 1, learn how to sing the champion section, learn how to play the ending, and then perform the whole piece. So let's get started, let's get ready to sing and play.
Let's quickly check back on the instrumental part we learned last time. Do you remember the rhythm? Get ready to clap the rhythm with me, following it in the box in the middle. After 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'll just remind you of the top part, the melody part in red, starting on E. And the lower part, the harmony line in blue, starts on G and goes down to F sharp, moving the front finger down. So the last instrumental part you play is the same as the beginning, with an extra bar added. The extra bar is on the note open G. It is the same note in the melody and the harmony parts. So open G, no fingers, 4 quavers with the last one accented.
It's time for our performance now. You will hear an introduction of 4 bars of music. You will hear the same piece of music each time before we play or sing throughout the piece. We play our little 2-bar phrase 4 times on our instruments. Then we will sing the verse and the chorus. Then we will sing the champions section. Then we will play our little 2-bar phrase again 4 times, followed by our 4-note ending to finish the piece. Are you ready? Let's play and sing.
Well done everyone, you've done a great job listening to each tutor and you've taken the time to pause and practice along the way. Remember, you can watch any part of this video as many times as you'd like to help you practice the piece at home. So keep up the good work and hope you look forward to more wicket pieces coming your way soon.
Before we get to the end of the piece, we have one more singing section to learn.